welcome to pre-market report. So in this video we are going to see how the market is going to behave tomorrow based on the CPR and price action levels. So before going to that, I first thing before entering into the market, we have to analyze the script. So whatever the script you are going to trade, you have to analyze that first by using the price action level. Then if you implement the CPR with that, so it will give you the double confirmation to take your trade. Okay, so so usually what I will do is, so I will be analyzing a chart based on past few days. So for the past few days the market was trading in this zone. So upper side it was trading around 18,250 around in this level. So this zone was acting as a strong resistant, so it's a good supply zone. And downside, this zone was acting as a good support. So this zone is coming around 18,000. So 18,000 is having the huge open interest downside. Okay, so most probably in case if tomorrow the market is going to gap down, then uh, there is a huge chance that the market is going to take support at 18,000 level, and from here the market is going to reverse. Okay, in case if this 18,000 level is going to crack down, then the market will reach this zone. So that means again we can expect a downfall in case if this 18,000 level is going to break down tomorrow. Okay, and moreover, if this level is broken, that means based on our price action, the candle is going to form the lower low. So based on that also, so there is also double confirmation. But I hope that tomorrow the market is going to gap up. So based on the edges nifty, so as of now, that is the 4th of January, and the time is now 10:30 p.m. So as of now, the SGS Nifty is trading around 40 points in positive bias. So in case if the market is going to open in positive bias tomorrow, you have to analyze the chart by using 15 minutes candle. So once the 15 minutes candle is going to close above this high, then you can go long in Nifty. And moreover, if the candle is going to close above this TC level, that is the pivot level, you will get two confirmation that the pivot range is also given the breakout, as well as the new high is formed. So based on that, in case if you are going to enter here going for long trade, you should keep your stop loss at this level, so at this pivot level or below this BC, below this pivot range, and your target should be this R1 level or this yesterday's high. Okay, so this level was acting as a resistant today. So I'll be suggesting you to get out of the trade in case if these levels are reached. So after some consolidations, after some breakout happen in this level, so once you got the confirmation, then you can give the entry again. So until then, so in case if market opens gap up and it has given the good close here, you can enter here and close your trade by R1. Okay, so risk reward is very important, and tomorrow is expiry. In case the market is going to consolidate between these zone for the first 1 hour or 2 hours, then a huge premium decay will happen, and that will result in good loss in case if you're option buyer. So whenever you are going to do some expiry date trading, so try to buy in the money option so that the decay will be very less. Okay, so and also based on the open interest, we will see how the market is going to behave tomorrow. So based on the open interest, a lot of calls were written in 18,100 and lot of calls were written in 18,200 also, because I think for the last few days 18,200 straddle was formed, and today we had a good gap down, so that's why they closed all the put options, and the call option they just left it, I think so. And moreover, they sold some of the call options here, so that's why the open interest is very high here. And moreover, in 18,000 we have good increase in open interest. That means most of the people are thinking that the market is going to be between 18,000 and 18,100. So in case if tomorrow around 50 or 60 points gap up is going to happen, in that case the market is going to open between these ranges, that is 18,000 to 18,100. So at that time those who have taken some straddle in 18,100 and case 100 point strangle, that is if someone sold 18,000 put option and 18,000 call option, so in the morning itself they could have sit with a good profit because of the overnight decay of the premiums. So after that they might book some profit in lower level or higher level based on the market movement, and based on that the market might move violently upside or downside. So hopefully tomorrow there will be volatility, but I don't think so the market is going to break these levels. So in case if these levels are broken, that is 18,000, the upper downside is broken, then the market is going to see a drastic move again. So that is it has all the capacity to reach these levels. But once this level is broken and there is no other go, so the market will go to 16,500 in case if this 17,800 levels are broken. Okay, so that is for longer terms view. So we will see that in another video, how the Nifty and Bank Nifty is going to be for this month. So that we will see in another video. So as of now, this is all about tomorrow's trade. So to summarize this, so in case if the market is going to open gap up and if it is going to uh, close above this pivot level, then you can buy the call option and you can close your trade here. In case if it is going to gap down, just wait for some time for the consolidation. Maybe it will take the support in 18,000 level or S1 level, and from here it will reverse back. Okay, so in case if you want to go to short, once this S1 level is broken, or if the market is going up and in this pivot range, if it is going to take some resistance from there, if it is going to reverse, after reversing, once this pivot range is crossed, then you can short the market and you can keep your stop loss above this TC level, and you can set your target as S1 on these levels. But for most probably the market will gap up tomorrow, because the HGS Nifty is now indicating around 40 point positive. That means the market is going to open around at least 20 to 30 points positive tomorrow. Okay, in that case the market will open around 18,660. From there, if there is an initial volatility will happen and maybe the market will go up to these levels. So this is all about the analysis for tomorrow. And moreover here, as I said before, based on the price action also, if the here high lower high is already formed, so in case the 15 minutes candle is going to close above this high, that means a new higher high is formed. So in that case there's a lot of chance that the market will go upward again. Okay, so even though in case if you are going to take your trade here, you have to come out once this R1 level is reached, because tomorrow is expiry, so decay will happen. So once your target is reached, come out of the trade, secure the profit, and then you can enter the trade once you got the good confirmation. So on all the expiry, try to do the high probability trade. So in case if you think that kind of trade is not going to work, you can only able to do the scalping because of the sideways, it is good to trade with the next week expiry. So that is the only way to do or escape from the premium decay. Okay, I hope this video is very useful to you guys. Thanks for watching.